Good evening, people. We're here at 316 Hobbies.
So what are you doing?
Right now, this is a excuse me, this is a nitro engine gas tank.
For what kind of plane?
You can really put it in any type of nitro gas engine plane. This is an 8-ounce tank. The original tank, which is here, had a faulted seal, which caused it, when you filled up the gas, caused it to leak out. So we didn't have a good seal for it to feed it to the nitrous motor. So what we're doing now is kind of securing this, getting this playing around. Nothing real complex, fairly simple. What you can see is you got virtually 3 tubes. Usually this tube is going to be the one that's going to feed your gas in.
Which one?
So we're going to load the gas up in here. This tube normally feeds the gas to the actual motor. This is kind of an overflow tube that goes back into a carburetor. This is a Greats plane, Escapade. This does not come ready to fly. It's kind of why this one, it's a little beat up. We have not actually flown it yet, but this one's a little bit more personal because when you get these, you actually have to put it together yourself. It basically comes, like I said, it's fairly simple. Tubing, this tube, like I said, this tube here in my hand, this is which we actually load the fuel up into the tank. Just gonna kind of get it on pretty secure there. Nothing real majorly hard. Some of these places gets kind of hard because you're working in a tight space. Vertical flights, and you don't want your fuselage banging because it's basically going to be the heaviest thing on the plane right behind the motor, so you don't want it jumping around in your fuselage. And that's basically it. We got this is our fuel hose as it comes out. It's going to feed into the motor there. And this is our overflow, which will feed into the actual plane exhaust. So if you do have some overflow from the gas, it'll push it straight on out while the engine is running. And we should have a good seal and ready to go.